Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by updating TikTok and granting microphone access so the app can transcribe audio. This reduces errors. Record or upload your clip and keep spoken audio clear and not drowned by music. Once done, tap the red checkmark to move to the post screen. TikTok will detect speech and present an auto captions option. Enable auto captions there. You're asking the app to create text timed to your speech, which prepares the captions for review before you publish. Once captions are generated, tap the Captions button to open the editor. You must verify accuracy because speech recognition mishears names, numbers, and acronyms. Edit individual lines, replace wrong words, add punctuation, and adjust spacing for readability. Make short, precise edits so timing stays aligned. If the automatic captions miss long segments or are off, add manual text boxes and position them to match the speech. This step ensures viewers relying on text get accurate information and preserves accessibility. Finish by posting the video and checking the live clip to confirm captions display properly. Watch it once as a viewer to ensure timing and legibility. Make sure viewers know how to toggle captions in their playback settings if needed. If captions didn't generate or they're absent, troubleshoot. Update TikTok, give mic permission, re-record with clearer speech, or add manual captions as on-screen text. These fixes address the 4 most common causes of missing captions and get you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.